So let's talk about something we've all experienced, and that's losing important files and wishing for a time machine. Well, today's tech tip, we have you covered. Let's dive into the cloud backups topic. So grab your cup of coffee and let's talk. First up, let's make sure your backups run like clockwork by setting 3 daily backup times: morning, lunch, and evening to keep your data fresh. And you'll want to follow these golden rules: 3 copies, 2 types, and 1 off-site for bulletproof protection. Now make sure to name your backups with the date and department. Trust me, in the future, you'll thank us. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They never test their backups. Start by scheduling monthly test restores of small files just to make sure everything's working smoothly. Then you set up automatic backup notifications just so you'll know instantly if something does go wrong. And you'll always want to keep one backup in read-only mode. Think of it as your emergency lifeline if everything else fails. So remember, guys, the best backup is the one you never have to think about. And my team and I are your perfect backup crew. Just give us a call or a quick email with your questions. We're here to make your tech life easier, one tip at a time.